Hello everyone. The African National Congress has confirmed the expulsion of its former Secretary General Ace Magashule, sending one of its most high-profile members into the political wilderness. Ace Magashule, the former Free State Premier, was found guilty by the National Disciplinary Committee (NDC) last week for failing to apologize for his unilateral decision in 2021 to suspend President Cyril Ramaphosa. He was given 7 days to appeal the decision. Mahlengi Pengu Motsiri, the ANC spokesperson, said in a statement, after a guilty verdict by the NDC, Comrade Ace Magashule was allowed to show cause why he should not be expelled from the ANC. Upon the lapse of 7 days, the NDC had not received any representations to that effect. Consequently, the NDC confirmed the expulsion of Comrade Ace Magashule from the ANC from the African National Congress as a final sanction. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.